Welcome to Zack's pronunciation. The idiom in this video is break the ice. Break the ice. It means to start a conversation and make people feel comfortable. Like someone is maybe feeling shy or is silent and the situation is awkward. So the person, to make the other person feel comfortable, he can say something like, John told a joke to break the ice at the meeting. Break the ice. To make the other person feel comfortable. Break the ice. It can be difficult to break the ice when you are meeting someone for the first time. Break the ice. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation to learn the pronunciation of different words.